Hello everybody, this video is for GGs Handsomeboy and whoever else is needing to oil the motor on a Nutone 920 bathroom heater. I would advise to have a helper to hold the heater up while whoever's working on it puts the oil in it. This is a mock-up. You don't have to take the whole heater apart or anything. Just drop it, take the 3 screws out and drop it down a little bit till you can see this here, the motor and all. I just have this mocked up off the original heater that was in the bathroom. You can use something like this or something like this. This is what I typically oil it with, and it's just a matter of, there's 2 holes here on this side, and then there's also 2 holes on the other side. You can just kind of see them, but all 4 need to have oil in them. There's kind of a spongy material in there, and I've put some oil in here, just a drop or 2 if it's really tight and squealing, but then I just stick the oil in there and just oil, and when the oil starts coming out of the hole, then it is full. Just a little bit at a time. See, it came out and then it soaks back in. When it stops soaking back in, it's got plenty of oil in it. I don't know if I can zoom in on and show that. I've got it zoomed in, and I'll show what happens when you start applying oil. I use the zoom spout, and I do just a little bit at a time. When it starts coming out of the hole, it's got plenty. When it quits soaking in, see how it's still soaking in. And then I turn it over and do the same thing on this side. This side's a little more tricky. There you can see both holes. And just the same thing on this side. It's soaking in still. Just got to get all that saturated in there. Then I'd put a little bit here too. Let's see, yeah, right in where the shaft is. Just a little bit. And then work it. Should spin pretty freely like that. And then I don't know if I can do it or not. I can try to test it out. And now, the most fun part, testing it. And that's a nice quiet running motor. It'll speed up a little bit. It's been sitting for quite some time. Let it warm up. And when properly oiled, that's what it should sound like. I hope this helps out. Thank you for watching.